My name is Aswin Soman. In this assignment, I have created a newsfeed application where the user can view newsfeed, and we do have a horizontal scrolling recycler view and a vertical scrolling recycler view. The horizontal one will show the top stories, and the vertical one show the other news. And I used hard coded data for this, and the app also does have a search bar and a bookmark section. We can see wherever bookmarks are so whichever the bookmarks that's saved to the system local storage. So if I'm clicking on one, I can see that it loads, saying the title and text and related stories as per the wireframe. And let me try. This one is also opening. Now let me try scrolling it to the other end. You can see that we have scrolled to the end of the list, and this one is also opening. So here these are the other ones, other news which can be opened as well, and a particular one which can be saved as well, bookmarked. Since we have bookmarked, the color has changed, and if we come back and comes to here, we can see it's there in our bookmark section, and it's accessible from bookmark. And now let me walk you through the architecture of the app. We use a single activity architecture, where the main activity act as a wrapper for all the UI fragments, and it uses the Jetpack XML navigation component to inject other screen UI fragments into the main activity. And from here we can see that our main activity doesn't have much code because we are injecting all these fragments, UI fragments, via the Jetpack library. It isn't recommended way of coding, so that it's more efficient while the user is using the application. And here we do have news item, which act as a model for getting our news from the storage. And this is basically defines the basic structure of the news, such as id, string, title, description, image, url, category, and boolean is featured. If it's featured, it will come in this top stories. And we do have news adapter over here, which get the items from the storage, and it shows the news it provides the news to the home screen via the fragment. And we do have the home fragment. This is a home fragment which defines the what data should show here, and it gets the data from the news adapter over here, and it shows here. And we do have featured adapter, which shows the featured section, that is this top story section. It uses a um, horizontal recycler view for the display matters. And we do have detail fragment, which is a UI component, a UI fragment which will open up when we click on a particular news. This is controlled by the detail fragment file. And we do have update display news function over here, which to display. And we do have update bookmark icon, which basically updates once we click on this bookmark icon. It updates the icon to change the color. For now it's gray. Once we click on bookmark, it changes to orange. And this is setup related storage, which will provide the related news from the JSON object which we have saved in our storage. So that is this particular area, related stories area. And we have bookmarks fragment, which is basically this particular screen which will open up once we click on the bookmarks icon from the home. And it has a recycler view as well, which displays the bookmark items. And this is the bookmark manager, which basically manages when we click on the bookmark. It is the file which manages how to save the bookmark item into the local storage. So that's it. Thank you.